just wanted to show you today how to clean the dishes. So before you start in cleaning and dishes, first of all you have to empty the sink. You have to take out everything out first of all and put aside, and then you can wash one by one. So let's take out all of this. All of this. Okay, so the sink is empty. As you see it, I put all the dirty stuff there, and the cleaning one is there. Let me take a bit far the dirty stuff. So what I'm gonna do now, there's too much oil on sink, so I have to bit clean that one first before I do anything else. And as you see, it now it's a bit clean. So what I'm gonna do now, just want to block the water. I was cutting off the other side. So I'm gonna put the hot water and back a bit warm, mix it together, and then I'm gonna put the dirty stuff, all the cup, all the dirty stuff. I'm gonna put it back and just leave it like that. And what I want is just the water to go a bit more on a level of all utilities will sink. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna close the water, and when I close the water, taking out, oh, this wrong one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit soup, just to just mix it. You see it now, and so now I'm gonna use my sponge to clean it. As I use it now, I'm holding my other hand the phone, but just clean like this. Now it's a clean already. The other one is a full now. So this is the example, but when you're using, you can use both your hands and clean it quickly as possible. And that water is gonna help you. It's going to help you, and then cleaning after that. And the next one, do like this, cleaning. All right, use it. So this is just an example, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna record a full video, because of what I want now to do is the dirty stuff is too much oil and grease, and it takes time to clean it. But if I leave it and do the other job while I leave in all the dirty stuff in a sink without full hot water and soap, then coming back later after maybe 10 to 15 minutes is all decompose, and then quickly you can rid of all the dirty. Then I will make other video, maybe a bit longer. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you if you subscribe it.